Hello everyone, welcome to JavaScript tutorial for beginner. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can loop an array in JavaScript. So first of all, let's go and declare an array. So let's say over here var number. Let's just say over here num equal to, and we'll give two third bracket, and inside it we'll have some array value. So let's have some number. So let's say over here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Let's say we'll have 5 number in this array, and when we write number in the array we do not need to write it inside single quotation or double quotation. We only write to give single quotation or double quotation when we write string. Okay, so for number we do not have to do anything like that. So right now if you want to print this, what we can do is that we can just say over here console.log, then to first bracket, and here we can say number, then to third bracket, and here we can mention the index number. Here the index number always start from 0, as you already know. So here if you give 0 it will print 10. So right now if we save it and if we just open it in the browser, and right now we'll directly go to, and right now we'll just right click on our browser, then here we'll go to the inspect function, and if you go to inspect, then here you can see console option over here. If you click console, here you can see the value 10 over here. Let me just make it bigger like this. So here you can see 10 over here. So right now here let's go and print some more things as well. If you want to print all of them, then we need to write everything one by one. Like over here we need to write over here 1, then 2, then over here 3, and here the last one will be 4, since the index number start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So right now if we save it, then refresh here, we can see all the number over here. Now this is a problem that you have to write all the number one by one. So for that reason we need to use loop over here. So right now what we'll do is that, let me just remove this. So over here we're going to mention for loop. We'll say over here for, and let's declare variable var I equal to 0. Then we'll give semicolon over here. Then we'll say over here I smaller than 5, because we have total 5 number over here. So we'll say over here I smaller than 5. Then here we'll give again semicolon, and then we'll say I plus plus. Let's just keep to second bracket, and here we're going to say console.log to first bracket, and here we'll just say number to third bracket, and inside this third bracket all we need to do is that we need to mention the I variable. So what it will do is that at the beginning the value of I will be 0, so it will print 10, then the value of I will be 1, then it will print 20, and like this it will print eventually 50. So right now if we save, then refresh, we'll see the same value over here. Now let's say you want to find out the sum of total number of this number or of this array. So for it, what we can do is that we can just declare another variable. Let's say var sum equal to 0. Then we'll come inside this for loop, and here we're going to say sum equal to sum plus number to third bracket I. So what it will do is that at the beginning the value of sum is 0, so it will do 0 plus 10, so the sum value will be 10, and for the second time the value of I will be 1, so it means the number value will be 20, so 10 plus 20 equal to 30, so the sum value will be 30. So like this we will be able to get the total summation of those 5 value. So right now if we just print out the sum value after the for loop, we'll get the total sum. Let's over here console.log, and here if we just over here sum, we'll get the total value. Let's save, then let's refresh here, refresh my browser, and here you can see we are able to get the total value. So this is how you can use for loop in array in JavaScript. So I hope this tutorial was useful. So make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel. Thanks in for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.